Hi there folks, so this is a shortish video on the guitar solo from the song Paper Plane by Status Quo. Now the song is in B flat and it's a shuffle rhythm. The solo is made up mainly of triads and double stops. In fact, I don't think there's a single note in the solo, if you see what I mean. So we start off with, we're playing two triads, which is just basically three notes, a movable chord shape. The first one is the D chord, just the top three strings, E, B, and G string. But instead of playing it down here where you would normally play it, you're playing it up here on the 10th fret, making it a B flat chord. And then the other triad is from the B flat bar chord. And we're just going to be playing the top three notes, which means that you're barring on the 6th fret of the B and E string with your first finger, and you're holding down the 7th fret of the G string with your second finger. Now the solo uses slides, so you play 3 times on the B flat, and then you slide down 1 fret to the A, and then you do that. So you do that twice. And then the last time you do, and it's played in crotchets. So if you remember from school, it's like tatty tatty. So we're going. So the last bit you're going. So it's 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9, 8. And that last chord on the 8th fret, you hold that. That's a full beat. Everything else is half beats, crotchets. So. And then you do the same thing down here on the 6th fret with this set of 3 notes, but you don't do the slide down. So this time you're just going to play 3 hits on the 6th fret and then slide down to the 5th fret, and you do it. And you don't just slide down, and you play all, and there's not a beat note at the end. It's all going to be crotchets, half notes. So that's 6 6 6 5 6 6 6 5 6 6 6 5 6 6 6 6. And then he does that twice. Now at this point, having that solo is played over a shuffle rhythm on the 6th fret. The band, the bass and the rhythms move up to an E flat up on the 11th fret. And for that one, you're just going to basically move this D shape up to the 15th fret and then play the bottom part of a bar chord on the 11th fret with exactly the same pattern. So 15, 15, 15, 14, 15, 15, 15, 14, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 14, 13. So then that last triad held for a full beat, and then onto the 11th fret with your top part of the E flat bar chord, so your first finger across the 11th fret of the B and E string, and your second finger on the 12th fret of the G string. You only do that once, and then you come back to the 10th fret and you play the B flat version. So the band has gone up to, and then back down to B flat, at which point you play the same thing again, but this time only once. Oh, sorry, it doesn't have that bit there, sorry. Then for the last part of the solo, the band, which I think includes Francis Rossi at this point, I think he plays this bit. You do 4 hits on the 8th fret using an A-based bar chord. And then he plays double stop starting on the 20th fret of the A string. So second finger on the 20th fret of the A string, first finger on the 19th fret of the D string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 19, 20 on the A, 19 on the D, and then sliding that down 2 frets. So 20, 20, 20, 20, 19, 18. and then he goes to the E flat chord on the 6th fret, an A bass bar chord, and the same pattern, but this time starting on the 18th fret, and sliding that down again. So 4 hits on the 18, 18, 18, 18, 18, 17, 16. Now you could play that here on the D string and the G string on the 15th fret, and then 11th fret. But I think he uses the bottom, the thicker strings to get that sound. It's a fuller sound. Also, there's a wee kind of tremolo when you get down to the 18th fret. So 20, 20, 20, 20, 19, 18. Bit of tremolo, and then 18, 18, 18, 18, 17, 16, bit of tremolo. And then he comes back to the D-shaped triad, but this time the band goes, so that bit goes, and finishes up on the F chord on the 8th fret, and he doesn't play anything over that in the solo. So the last part of the solo goes, that's the same, but then, so 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, and then, and he doesn't play anything in the solo over that last part of the bar. And that solo is after verse 2, and it's also at the end of the song where it fades out. So that's the solo from Status Quo Paper Plane. I shall endeavour to put a video together for the rest of the song at some point in the near future, but you can practice that in the meantime.